Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here, just down at Ducati Chelmsford today, and we've got something new in. Right, so what we've got here in the box is the new Ducati e-bike, the TK-01RR. So we're going to get this out and have a look what it's like. Right, so how much are these, Si?
These are £7,290.
Nice.
Yeah.
Which is expensive for a mountain bike, but this ain't just a mountain bike, is it?
No, this is got the latest spec on it as well. So it's got the new Shimano EP8 motor in it.
Yep.
Which is the 630 watt. This is obviously how it comes packed. Look at that, that's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Bit of protector.
Look after the disc. New Pirelli tyres, these were made for this bike. This is a 29 with a 2.6.
Right, let's get it out of it.
Let's have a look what we've got. Pedals, leads, plug it in, battery charger.
Halo. Reflectors. More reflectors.
Oh look, the all important touch-up paint, Mark.
Oh, nice. And what's that in there?
Batteries, I reckon. Let's have a look.
Lots of cardboard.
More cardboard.
Oh, so that's a load of cardboard.
That is weird. Why would you send the box with just a load of cardboard in it? Let's have a look at this.
Hello, Paul.
Oh look.
Right, bruv?
Yeah.
Come over here.
Look,
What's going on?
I haven't had any tea, and this is what
You've had no tea at all.
this is what people do.
So you've had to come in, still part of the picture now, because you're not being filmed as per usual.
I know, I love being filmed.
You might have to come and hold this in a minute.
I'll hold anything.
Put your cups down, I'll tell you all about them.
Oh Mark, this is cool.
Look at that. This is the future side.
It is, mate.
You're literally unwrapping the future.
You're right. But it don't look a bad future to me, if I'm honest.
Ready to go then?
Not yet, hang on.
Not quite yet. I don't know if you're going to get that far like that.
What? Yeah. No, you want out the front. Yeah.
What is it?
800 big block scooter.
800?
800 big block.
What is it?
Gilera.
Oh, you're moving the screen. What cc is it? 800?
Yeah.
You take it easy on that.
And then the light came up, I don't know what it was, but it's still running.
The light come up and said you're doing 160 kilometres here.
Hey, that was pulling like a fucking train. That weren't running out of state. That'd do 120 mile an hour, easy.
There's a dash mark. It's got Renfrew fat bars on it as well, look.
I'll just get in the shop.
Yeah, of course you can.
I like watching Simon work.
Yeah, it's a novelty. This is why Simon's building this.
I bet he'd be the first to ever go on it.
Look at them bars, Si. You like them, didn't you?
Yeah, Renfrew fat bars.
He's pretty cool. Oh, they're carbon and all.
Yeah.
Is it all carbon?
The handlebars are, yeah, I've got these on my bike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, show off.
Yeah.
Have you got anything I can borrow that?
Look at them.
I'll take home the Super Gilera, alright?
If I bought it back pining, yeah.
Yep. Front wheel. Yeah. Yeah, it looks just like an actual bike stand.
Yeah.
How mad is that though?
Forks look nice.
Folks looking a nut. That's it.
I love them Oldies, they look so good.
Yeah, don't they?
How cool are them faults?
Look how good them forks. What do you think of them forks?
They're great.
Yeah?
Yeah, look at that.
Do you do much mountain biking?
Oh, loads. Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, very keen.
Yeah, you one that hits the trails?
Yeah.
Everyone's eager to see this, isn't they?
He's wicked, that is the nuts though, isn't it?
Quite a rake.
I was just going to, do you know what? I was just going to say that's quite a rake on them faults.
I bet you were going to
Just
say
as I
that.
went to say it, you come out of your
Yeah, it's
mouth.
like I'm reading your mind. I don't like what I see either.
I'm not surprised. You may need cancelling.
I will really hurt myself on one of these.
And I'll video it.
Yeah.
Wow, so nice.
What is that? A stand?
Stand. That reminds me of something from like 1985 or something.
The old bear trap pedals. Got a dropper post on it.
Is he talking in Swahili?
He's talking in his tech now.
No.
This is Simon in his
you go.
domain.
There you go, so look. just needs a bit of.
Oh, right.
This is what they call Simon Swamp. Where are you going?
Gonna go and ride the Super Gilera.
Really nice. So you can have it like that for big boys, or like you, little boy.
Does it go down further?
No, that's your lot.
This is one of the coolest bikes I've ever seen. Look at that shock in there and all.
Seen the frame on it, look.
What's all that about? What's all that about?
That's all about that.
How comes there was no
What? No what?
chat about this? No, like,
You were
talk
busy
to me.
filming the push bike. Don't get too close.
What's that? Fucking pepper. I've never seen Simon so hands-on, have you? As soon as he gets into his... As soon as he gets... I mean, I've seen him in depth when he's on a forum for a Volvo or a VW Beetle, but I've never seen him get so excited about a bike.
Can you imagine this sitting on the back of my Beetle? How
Yeah.
cool will that look? They're going to think that bloke's got to be in his 20s driving that. Look how cool he is.
Right, so this is the Mig S.
Yes.
Let's get this little number out, see what it's all about. And these are a bit cheaper.
5,150, these ones, Mark.
Right. Different power.
Yes, different motor in it as well.
Right. What
Shimano E8000 in this one.
I think that's going to be a lot of difference between...
Yeah, you haven't got the suspension the same either.
Has it got Olin still or different
No,
one?
not on this one, mate. No.
Okay, that's where the money is, the Olin suspension.
Yeah, you've got a front wheel.
And
Stand.
to you, to me.
There we go. So you see the difference in the faults. Look straight away. Look.
Oh yeah.
It's got Mazorchi. They're still good folks.
Oh, they are. Yeah.
Right, I'll build the stand and hold that.
Yeah, you build.
Well, this looks nice actually. Actually, don't mind this bit.
I prefer the colouring of this one. It's got the air seat again as well.
Yes.
What's it called, Si? What's the technical for? You know, when you're in the forest with your mates, what do you call them? Push rod. Yeah. Straight up.
Still want some air in it though.
I wasn't pushing it right.
Well, so that's the Ducati Mig S and the TK-01RR. Such awesome looking bikes, really trick bits. All we've got to do now is charge these bikes up. We'll be taking these out somewhere, doing a bit of off-road on them because a couple of guys here have bought them. So we will do a video on that in the future, but yeah. Awesome looking bikes. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. There's been some real pandemic problems lately. I don't know, Simon talking about Beetles, Volvos.
Yesterday I was looking at M140i.
He said he drives it faster than his Audi. I said I can believe that.
I can believe that and all. I've seen him drive.
Here he comes.
Simon drives that faster than he does.
How was it, Si?
Yeah, good. Yeah, really good.
What?
What you been doing?
Everything there is to do, I've been doing.
Yeah? Do you feel better now?
No.
What do you mean, no?
I'm going around Morrison's in a minute. You coming? Do a bit of shoplifting.
Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, I've not got to shoplift some butter.
Oh, have you?
Well,
I've
you know
got
what the
shoplift.
easiest way to do that is? Take it out the tub, smear it all on your body,
Yeah.
then when you get home, wipe it off your body, put it back in the tub.
I'd like to see that. Well, I'm getting. I'm going to buy a big old French stick. I'm going to
French stick and cheese?
actually make the sandwich there and just walk out with it.
Oh, you can use some of my butter.
Yeah. That'd be interesting.
And then put a bit of ham in there. Lucy's there, she's out in the sun.
All right, Lou.
What's happening?
Not much.
You just come out for some sunshine.
Yep.
Just talk about smearing butter on yourself. And there you are.